guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It is such a nice day out. Literally, I feel like I can finally start to feel excited for summer. Like, it's so nice out. I haven't actually been outside yet, but I've heard it's really warm. So yeah, that was a very loud clap. But I'm just gonna jump straight into this video. And before I do, go make sure you're hit subscribed, all that jazz. But anyways, who cares? Jumping straight in. So I have gotten hair in my mouth. I've kind of picked up a few bits over the last few weeks for summer and things like that. I feel like when I try to shop now, and even when I'm picking out PR, I try to be conscious of what I can wear loads of times, because I think, as I said in my sustainability video, I'm still gonna I actually very rarely shop fast fashion. If I buy anything, it's normally either from an independent brand or from a vintage or a charity shop. But when I do get fast fashion, it is a lot of the time from like PR. And so even when I choose that now, I try to think like, what am I gonna wear loads of times? And I actually do rewear a lot of things. Like, I got my legs are so sore from the gym, but I have these pants on today. I got them from Pretty Little Thing, but I actually got them literally before Christmas, like in 2017. So like, yeah, I've had these for like a year and a half. So I think once you're making choices that are like good, it's fine. So I do have some fast fashion in this haul as well, because I have been gifted some things, but a lot of it is vintage as well. So I'm gonna start with the vintage pieces because I find them really exciting. I literally love everything that I've gotten. So the first thing I'm gonna talk about are these amazing pants. Oh, I literally love them. Jodie said I look like a member of Boyzone wearing them, and my mom said they look like ski pants. But I don't know, I just really love them. I love the fit of them. I love that they're not like too tight, but they're not like too loose either. Like, they literally fit my waist perfectly. And I find with trousers sometimes that can be kind of hard. Not really for myself, because I'm so straight. Like, my body is like just like flat. I have no bum, no boobs. That most clothes fit me like really well. But I also like then when sometimes pants are a little bit big on me, because they'll give me more of a shape. So you can see here they're like a little bit loose on my waist, or not on my waist. I always belt them, so then when I belt them, they just kind of give me more shape than I actually have. And the bottom is a nice shape. It's not flared, but it's not like skinny either. I just think they're super cool, like super like Tokyo, like street style. I love them. And I got these from 9 Crows. So I'm working there now, and I think it was in like my first or second week like working there. I spotted them out and like put them on for like an Instagram story, and then I was just like, okay, I need those. So yeah, that's those. Second thing I'm going to talk about is also a pair of pants, and they're also from 9 Crows. Literally, I'm just gonna be poor from working there, but they're these amazing pants, and literally they have the biggest flare you have ever seen. Like, Connor was joking and was literally like, oh, you should bring those to Electric Picnic, because then we won't need a gazebo. And I was like, okay. But again, similarly to the other ones, these literally fit me so fucking well. The only thing I found with these was like, when I went for dinner yesterday, I went to Mongolian barbecue, shout out Mongolian, and shout out to the girl that works there. She said she watches my YouTube channel. Thank you. But like, after I'd eaten, my fly kept coming down, and I was just like, and I wasn't even like that full. Like, it was like not too full. I wasn't like uncomfortably full, so like maybe that shouldn't have happened, but I don't care. They're so worth it. Put them on my Instagram, and they just make my legs look so fucking long as well. I think it's because I could probably only wear these pants like with a sorry, my voice is really sore. Probably only wear these pants like with a platform, because they're so long. But I'm okay with that, because like I hate wearing flat shoes anyway, because like I just hate feeling small. Yeah, I got those in 9 Crows as well, and all of these pants in 9 Crows I did get like staff discount, but all of the pants in 9 Crows are about 30 odd euro, 32 euro I think. So like, these are both like really decent pairs of pants that I know I'm gonna get loads of wear out of, so I think they're a really good price. So next up then, keeping it vintage. So I got this, it's basically just this little baseball jersey. Yeah, I got this like baseball jersey from Dublin Vintage Factory. They do really good baseball jerseys. I have like a black and orange one. I've definitely had it on my channel before. I literally wear it all the time, and that was why I went in the other day and got another one. Literally, I just wear it all the time. Like, I wear it so much that I was just like, okay, I actually need another one of these. I just find them, especially coming into spring, they're so handy for just like throwing over like little little bralettes and like crop tops and stuff like that, because it's still like not warm enough to be going out like half naked. So like at least with this, like you can still show off your little like bralette tops without like, you know, being freezing. Because I feel like I can't tell if like I'm sicker at the moment or like if it's just like I'm just dying of hay fever already, but I don't know. Like I'm really struggling to tell, because I feel like when I'm sick, like I'm more sick, and when I'm hay fever it just feels like a cold, but it's not fully a cold, and that's what's going on right now. Anyway, that's irrelevant to the haul. But Dublin Vintage Factory, they always have loads of these. I love wearing them. I don't know if this one is long enough, and it's kind of see-through as well, so I don't know if it would work, but I love wearing them as a dress kind of as well, just like with a little pair of cycle shorts under and like a belt. Like you can style them so many different ways, so they're just really handy. And I literally paid €8 for this, and I'm pretty sure the last one I got was €8 as well, so super handy. So next up then is also vintage. Sorry I missed this, but this is also from Nine Crows. So anyone who knows me or follows me knows I'm literally a sucker for a silk scarf, and I was doing a shoot last week and I was pulling for the shoot and I came across this, and I actually used it in the shoot, but literally it's Fendi. I don't know if it's real Fendi or not. Well, it says made in Italy. I don't know if Fendi is made in Italy. I don't know if it's real Fendi or not, but after my shoot I was like, can I buy this? And she was like, just take it. So that was really handy, and I just love this. I love silk scarves. I have a video on all the different ways you can style silk scarves. Oh yeah, you can literally wear them as tops, you can wear them on your head, you can wear them so many different ways. And again, that's just like what you want when you're trying to like keep your clothes versatile and sustainable. In my head I was like, I bet I'm gonna get like stick for wearing like Fendi, because Fendi, the double F in Fendi literally stands for fun fur. Karl Lagerfeld came up with that term when he was like director of Fendi. So maybe it's not very vegan of me to wear this, but it's vintage. Moving swiftly on, the next two pieces, they are not vintage, but they are handmade by an Irish gal. I think it's Hailuna. I can never pronounce things. Like I think it's Hailuna Fashion or something. But I'll leave the Instagram handle here and down below as well, so you can find her there. But she basically made me both of these little bralettes and then sent them to me, and I've already gotten so much wear out of them, which is why they're all tangled. So this is the first one. It's just a little cow print bralette, and then I'm just going to show you the second one. This is upside down. Yeah, so this is the second one then. It's just cheetah print. The only thing I would say about these is like when I wear them under things, they kind of fall off my boobs, but like I don't really mind, because I'll probably get loads of wear out of them in the summer and even just bring them to festivals. I love shit like this for like when you wake up in the morning like at a festival and just like literally throw something on to go get a smoothie. I actually always look like a fucking lunatic when I do that at a festival. Like I literally look insane. Like my outfits when I go to like get a smoothie at a festival are like probably more insane than my outfits when I'm actually dressed, because I literally just throw shit like this on. And like, where was I last year? Oh, All Together Now, literally the last day of All Together Now, or the Sunday, one of the days of All Together Now, and yeah, I was literally so fucking hot that for like I'd say half of the day before I got dressed, because I didn't get dressed till maybe like 1 or 2. That's actually still quite early, but like I'm normally like up and dressed real early at a festival, because I just like to get my pictures out of the way so I can have some fun. But yeah, I was literally in a bikini one of the days at All Together Now for like the whole day, just like walking around like getting food like in a bikini, and like there's just kids walking around like really confused, but I had a good time. So love things like this, even for holidays and shit as well. So get onto her Instagram, and we love supporting an independent gal and Irish gal, so be sure to go hit her up for some cute little bralettes. Also you can just style those with loads of things, like they're just versatility, you know. Next up, I think we're moving swiftly on from the sustainable flex now, but I just thought I would show this off. This is from Urban Outfitters. It's by this brand, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I just really like this. I think it's very street style. I always wear it with those like Tokyo pants, and I just think it's like super cool. I think it was about €19, and then I got the student discount, even though I'm not a student, but still have a out-of-date student card. Yeah, I just love it. Again, it's see-through. It works really well with like blazers and shit, and I just really like it. It's a bit annoying because it gets really loose really easy, but like it's a super cute belt, and it's very fashion 2019. So next up, another accessory. I got sent this very cute bag which matches my hair today, but I got sent this from a UK brand called LUVCHERRYCHERRY. I'm a sucker for teeny tiny small cute bags, just bags in general. I love bags, so when they offered to send me this, like, I was literally like yes, I just love bags, and I just love this. I love the color pink, so yeah, but I love that it has the red in it as well, because it means you can kind of like style it with a few different things. You don't really fit much in it. Like, this is the inside with my gigantic sunglasses. That's the inside, but like, I feel like for a night out it's perfect. Like, you can fit, like, I never take my purse on a night out anyway, like my full purse, because I'm always afraid I'm gonna lose it because I'm a mess. But you can literally fit your money, your phone, and a bit of like lipstick and shit like that as well. So it's really like the perfect night out bag, as well as like a little cute like summery bag. So next up then, so I got this cute little top. I have two little pieces to show off from Rebellious Fashion. So I just have this one first of all. I love this shape. I love this like neck shape on tops right now. I've seen a lot of like the Hadids and like Kendall Jenner like rocking that style, I guess, and I don't know, I just really love it. I think it's really flattering. It's really girly, but like not too girly, because like, I know, I feel like I dress like a girl. I definitely dress like a girl, but like not today I guess. No, but I just think it's like, again, I know this is something I will wear to death throughout the summer. I actually have one similar from about 2 years ago, except it's more over the shoulder, and I've literally worn it to death. Like, I think I'm actually just gonna have to throw it out. Like, that sounds like, why are you throwing your clothes out? But no, actually I'll probably still keep it and just wear it around the house for that kind of thing. But like, it's not like wearable out anymore, because I wore it to work in the summer last year so much, so it just kind of smells really bad even after you wash it. That's not ideal, but I know I'll probably do the same to this one, but super cute. And I think the price point on these is really good as well, so I shall leave links to everything below. I feel like I'm really spoken about the prices that I don't know the prices of, but I'll leave a link for everything down below so you can find them all anyway. Next thing from Rebellious Fashion then is just these like checked pants, Burberry kind of checked pants. I don't know, I just love a checked pant. Again, I just think for springtime, like work and things like that, like these are just perfect. They're like super stylish, but like still cute. And even like summer like drinks and things like that, like I just know these are like gonna be something I will definitely get loads of wear out of, and if I feel like I don't like them, I'll definitely be able to sell them because they're good quality and everything as well, and they fit me really good. So yeah, again, they're a really good price point, and the shipping with Rebellious is always like pretty fast. Yeah, I feel like this shape isn't really like my favorite in the world, but I really liked the like pattern on them, so I just thought I would like go with them. Next, I got sent a few bits from Boohoo. So the first thing is this waistcoat that I'm wearing, and I had one of these in black I got in Urban Outfitters like a while ago, and I absolutely loved it. And I didn't choose the stuff out from Boohoo, just one of the girls in Burrell PR, she like chose everything out, and she like got me down to a T, because like I literally love my black waistcoat so much. Like, I wear it all the time. Again, similarly to the Dublin Vintage Factory baseball jersey, I just feel like you can wear that stuff like so many times and reinvent it so much, and also just throw it over. Like, I'm wearing a little bralette today, and it just looks super cute once you throw it over things, so ideal for summer. Next thing, I just got this little t-shirt. It says Woman's State of Mind. I'm not really a huge t-shirt person, but I feel like I'll definitely get some wear out of this. Like, even under this like waistcoat, I feel like it could look cute, so I'll definitely figure out something to do with it. I feel like I should try and become more of a t-shirt person. Like, it could be a cute look for me. And then I just got some polo necks. I think this one is like a dress, but I'll probably like layer this with stuff, because I hate wearing stuff like that just like on its own, but it's still cute. And obviously I'm a pink gal, so I love the color pink, so yeah. And then I just got this bodysuit polo neck, and I actually love this. This is definitely my style as well. Like, I love the tie-dye. Maybe this isn't so much like spring summer, but I feel like we still have some cold days, so like I'll definitely still get some wear out of it. Also, like where I work, like it's always like cold, like as we open the doors, so like throughout the day it gets really cold, so this is like perfect for work for me. But I love the colors so much, and I got like a lime green one of those as well, but it's like in the wash, so not in the haul. And the absolute last thing of this haul, it is also from Boohoo, and I literally love these. I find jeans really hard to shop for, even though I'm quite a straight shape. I find them difficult. Like, I don't know, I have to fall in love with a pair of jeans. And then I got these from Boohoo. Let me do up the zip. Yeah, so I got these from Boohoo, and they're literally the most perfect fit on me. Like, they fit me so fucking good. I think they're, yeah, they're UK 8. which is like standard for me. I always wear an 8, but they're just such a really good fit, and they come with this little belt on them, but then you can obviously take that out and add your own belt as well, and they're really good quality, so I'm really happy with the jeans. If I can find links to all the Boohoo stuff, I will post them as well, but I didn't choose them, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to find them, but I'll definitely have a look anyway. But yeah, just ideal. Like I just feel like jeans, again, is just something you can wear all the time, so I'm super happy with those, and they make my booty look really good as well. I've literally been I'm like back in the gym, and I feel like I go back to the gym for like 2 weeks and I literally think I'm like Grace Fit UK, but I definitely think like these give my booty a little pop, and yeah, anything that gives my booty a pop, because my booty doesn't exist, I'm a fan of you. So yeah, I think that is the end of my haul. I actually had some really cute bits on the way from Daisy Street, which are like a UK brand, which I wanted to include in this, but they haven't arrived yet, so maybe I'll just do another haul closer to summer. I feel like really excited at the moment about my style and about like the clothes I get now, because I feel like I'm definitely being a little more experimental with my style, which is like exciting for me, because fashion is evolving, fashion is always evolving. So yeah, that's it really, I guess. It's an exciting time to be alive. As I said in my last video as well, festival season is like rapidly approaching, and I'm so fucking excited for it. I already have some like really big plans to work with some like designers and friends and stuff, and to plan my outfits, so I'm super excited. And let me know if there's any like festival content or anything you want to see from me, and I will work on it. And let me know what your favorite piece from this haul was, because there's some super cute pieces. And thank you for watching. Please be sure to hit subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I shall see you in my next video.